Ever wondered what's really going on inside your body? From the moment we wake up, we're surrounded. It's in the air we breathe on our morning commute, a subtle haze of exhaust fumes. It's in the processed foods we grab for a quick lunch, laden with preservatives and artificial ingredients. It's even in the water we drink and the cleaning products we use at home. These are toxins, environmental pollutants, heavy metals, and chemical additives that our bodies absorb every single day. While our system is designed to filter them out, modern life bombards us with an unprecedented amount. Over time, these substances can accumulate, quietly building up and placing a significant strain on our internal defense mechanisms, setting the stage for a slow, progressive decline in our well-being. At first, the signs are almost unnoticeable, easily dismissed as just a part of a busy life. Imagine a healthy, active individual who starts to feel like he's constantly running on low battery. The persistent fatigue isn't debilitating, but it's always there, a dull hum of exhaustion that a good night's sleep can't seem to fix. He might notice minor skin blemishes popping up more frequently, little spots that he writes off as stress. There's also a slight, nagging digestive discomfort. A bit of bloating here, some indigestion there, nothing serious enough to raise alarm, but just enough to feel that something isn't quite right. These are the body's first whispers, the early warning signs that its detoxification systems are beginning to struggle under the load. As the weeks and months go by, these whispers turn into louder calls for help. The subtle fatigue morphs into chronic headaches that pulse with a dull, persistent ache, making it hard to concentrate. The minor skin blemishes evolve into more noticeable problems, like stubborn acne along the jawline or unexplained rashes that itch and irritate. The digestive discomfort becomes a significant issue, with constant bloating that makes him feel heavy and sluggish after every meal. Internally, the picture is even more concerning. His liver, the body's primary filtration organ, is overworked and stressed, struggling to keep up with the constant influx of toxins. His immune cells, once strong and resilient, are now weakened, leaving him more susceptible to catching every cold that goes around. The burden is growing, and its effects are becoming impossible to ignore. Eventually, the body reaches a tipping point. The man is now visibly worn out, the sparkle in his eyes replaced by a look of deep-seated exhaustion. He struggles with intense brain fog, finding it difficult to focus on work or even follow a simple conversation. His mood becomes unpredictable, swinging from irritability to apathy, a direct consequence of the neurotoxic effects of the accumulated substances. Simple daily tasks that he once performed with ease now feel like monumental efforts. He is trapped in a cycle of feeling sick and tired, a prisoner to the heavy toxic burden his body can no longer manage. The final image is a stark reminder of this internal struggle, a body overwhelmed, crying out for a reset, buried under the weight of a modern world. What began as a whisper has now become a scream,